What was your journey like?
Journey was super. In fact, when I was doing my chartered accountancy, I had thought to be a CPA, but those were very different days. I mean, you have to appear. I mean, you have to give a. I mean, for examination, you have to be at the USA. I don't think there were any of coaching classes which were in Ahmedabad. I mean, today's situation was very different. So after a long time having cleared my CA, I cleared CA in 2003. But in 2020, yes, I did. I completed CPA.
We get a lot of questions, right, from professionals who have around 10-15 years in their experience bucket, and they say, hey, we have to get back to studying. Do you think it's possible? It's going to be difficult. So what would you tell them?
There is absolutely no age for the learning. If you think, I mean, it's all about your willingness. If you have a will to do that, you can achieve. I mean, there is nothing in this world which is impossible. It's only our mind which always stop you. I mean, so you have to be always you push your thought, push your mind to get it done. So I mean, I think it's better to I mean, certainly, I mean, those who are very young, like your age, those who complete as early as possible, that's great. At that time, again, to be a CPA, it was a very expensive stuff because you have to be at the USA. Nowadays, I mean, since COVID, it's a boon to be a CPA because now the exams are being conducted in India, though quarterly, but yes, it is. So the cost part is, very being taken care of. So that's great. Now those who are of my age, I'm 40. So I mean, there is no age for that. And in fact, once you have an experience, once you have an understanding of the real financial market, accounting, taxation, and then you learn, it gives, बोलते हैं कि मजा आएगी. So it gives a fun, in fact, and then you can in fact understand and correlate, and you can clear absolutely faster than anybody else maybe.
So what was your experience like with Miles? I mean, you could have.
Miles is a super, Miles is absolutely super, and I think if somebody wants, I mean, Miles, in fact, if I say today, Miles has created a milestone in my career. So if one want to be a CPA, it's a Miles. And why I'm saying so, I heard a lot about Miles earlier before I joined. But when I completed, and now when I'm CPA, I think there is no other option. Varun has been absolutely super tutor, and he's absolutely his lectures. I mean, in fact, I have not read any other material than Miles, and yes, I have heard. I mean, heard his lecture, online lecture for twice. Every time when you listen that, you learn something new. So he's absolutely up to the mark. The clarity part is absolutely clear on that. So it gives a much more clear logic to clear the CPA. At the end of the day, what Varun can do, what Miles team can do, they can give all the support. But ultimately, then the last thing is that it's about the candidate. I mean, then he himself has to do. हम गुजराती में बोलते हैं कि घोड़ा ने कुआ સુધી લઈ જવાય પછી પાણી તો એને જ પીવું પડે. So you can get the horse to the well, but then ultimately he has to drink the water. So I mean, all the support which is required absolutely is from day one, from the enrollment, from the evaluation part. I still remember that all, and then the first day on the lecture, I still print in that mind. And then finally I've been CPA, yes, throughout all the journeys. CPA એટલે માઇલ્સ જ, બીજું કશું જ નહીં. એટલે CPA કરવું હોય તો માઇલ્સ સિવાય બીજો કોઈ ઓપ્શન જ નથી, અને બીજું કંઈ વિચારવું પણ ના જોઈએ. CPA મતલબ માઇલ્સ.